I'm TJ.
I'm Styx.
And this is Calm TV. UHCL Transfer Advisor will be on campus Tuesday, March 6th from 9 to 1 in the Student Success Center.
Join us in the gym for Pickle Ball, March 7th at 2 p.m. in the gym. Dude, this is a cucumber.
Same thing. P90X! On March 8th at 12:30 in the gym, the Fit Club will be hosting a P90X group cardio session. Bring a friend, come join us in all the fun, and get a great workout session going. The H1B Ready to Work grant is hosting a Petrochemical and Manufacturing Information Session.
March 5th and March 8th in the Student Center.
For more information, call extension 8643. The deadline to apply for graduation ends March 30th.
Meet with an advisor to submit your paperwork. Ball in the gym.
P90X! On March...
Are you ready, sir? Watch out.
A UHCL transfer advisor will be on campus in the Student Success... All I heard in the background was wow, wow, wow.